Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade gummies. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients and preparing your kitchen. Then, I'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step cooking process, ensuring your gummies turn out perfectly every time. Finally, I'll share some valuable tips for achieving the ideal texture and proper storage, so you can enjoy your treats for longer. Get ready to create some fun and tasty snacks. To begin, you'll need just a few key items. For your base, grab 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit juice like apple or orange. The setting agent is crucial, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. For sweetness, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup work wonderfully. As for tools, a small saucepan, a whisk, and some fun silicone molds are essential for shaping your gummies. The process is quite straightforward. First, sprinkle your 2 tablespoons of gelatin over the 1/2 cup of cold fruit juice in a saucepan. Let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. Next, gently heat the mixture over low heat, whisking constantly until the gelatin is fully dissolved, but do not boil it. Then, stir in your 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Finally, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone molds and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or until firm. For the best results, always ensure your gelatin is completely dissolved before pouring, which prevents a grainy texture. Remember not to boil the mixture, as high heat can reduce the gelatin's ability to set properly. Feel free to get creative with your flavors, try different fruit juices, or even add a few drops of natural extracts. Once firm, store your homemade gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.